Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rose and welcome to my tribe. So today guys, I'm in Chongqing city. I'm in the capital of Chongqing. This is the city and it's looking amazing. It's looking amazing. Yeah, we are just walking, my family, my people, and I'm just taking video of them walking. I'm the one behind the camera. Can you see? Let me show you the city around. And so guys, we've been going around looking for beautiful sceneries and also decided to just have lunch. So we go to this beautiful amazing restaurant and we decided to order some things to eat, and that is what we are going to do now. We just have to eat, you know, because we've been working for a while now, and the baby is quite happy. You can see she's really enjoying the outing. She doesn't even care about anything. Our meal is here guys, and you can see we ordered a lot of things because we wanted to taste each and everything. And this is what we ordered and we are going to enjoy it. So we'll see you after we eaten. I could have told you to join us, but you know, let me not just say that. Yeah, see you soon. We've had late lunch and now we are just taking a walk so the food can digest. As you can see guys, it's really hot, but you having the people that care for you around, it's a plus, so you don't even feel the heat that much. Can you see? Enjoy the walk with me. See him dancing. Yeah, he's really feeling himself. Look at them. Look at them. Hey. Ha, ha, ha. This is crazy. And we got the same cups. Do you see? 4 of us have the same cup. It's amazing. Well, I'm telling you. Hey, come on, hiya, hiya. Are you advertising Anta? Yay! Come on, baby. Woo! Hey! And so guys, we got to come to this place where train passes in between the building, and we had to see it for ourselves just to believe it. And it's very nice. Actually, it's pretty amazing. So we are going to another place.
Yeah, because that we are going to the entrance of the parking lot. That is going. We have 500 meters to go. So here we go.
Okay, join this ride. We are going to go round and round.
400 meters to go. Hey, baby.
Hey, baby. What's wrong? Oh, you want me to talk to you?
I can, no, easy to get for a driver to get dizzy.
Yeah. So guys, this is the underground parking lot, and as you've heard from before, it's like really under the ground, really under, and you are going there to park the car and go to our next destination where you'll get to see where we are going. And this is Raffles building parking lot. So guys, this is where I'm going to introduce you to another place here in Chongqing city where we get to see a street on top of a building. Okay guys, it's really famous. So keep tuned and enjoy the video. Kindly remember to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about this video. As you can see, the drive was really long. Going to the parking lot, it was really long, and now we are here. We are going to park. See you after this. And here we are. So guys, this is the famous street in China. Actually, when you look at it at this angle, you'll think it's a street, but in reality it's on top of a building. Let me show you. Let me go to the edge so you can see what I mean. But people are just taking hikes like it's a... Do you see that? People are taking strolls like it's just a normal street, but it's not. It's on top of a building, and I think you can tell from here. Look at this. You can tell it's on top of a building. Yes.
The river was joined there.
Oh.
The river and the Jialing River is joined here.
Okay. Yangtze River and Jolly River are joined here. Let me show you. This is really nice. For all those years. So?
Square.
I'm learning something. At least I can say I went somewhere in Chongqing. Let me go show you.
They have a fence now. After they finish building,
they take it out.
Nicer.
I'm taking videos,
Look back.
and people. I want to first show them that side, so when I look back, they'll see the difference.
Right. We were having our lunch there. You see the silver buildings?
Yes.
We were there.
And I didn't even notice. I did. Someone being somewhere, you can't even notice. You can't tell. My beautiful people. Kindly guys, remember to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. Say something about this video.
The local people are complaining about these walls that they built because it's just to block the view.
Oh yes.
Too high and with the little gap, it blocks the whole view. So the local people are complaining about this.
They want it removed.
Yeah.
But I think the wall is for security, because people like me, you can't just come to the edge and see.
Too thick wall, you cannot see that side.
It is thick.
Yeah.
Do you see? We are on top of a building. The silver, that silver building you see there, that's where we had our lunch. And looking back, you see the rest of the building to up there. It's a Raffles Square. So yeah, my people, this has been a beautiful day. It's been tour after tour, and we are really enjoying.
Actually, they call it Raffles City.
Ah, Raffles. Can you see? It's Raffles City. When you're planning to come to China, this is one of the places you should visit. Yes. It's in Chongqing, Raffles City to be precise. Okay? It's nice. And later we'll be going up there. So keep tuned to the end. Look at that 360 view, and it's actually around 5 and you can still see the sun. Let me see it, guys. Looking from this angle, you can see that is the street I was talking about, people just strolling. And now I'm on top. You can see. There's construction continuing there. So after they are done, they'll remove the barriers and people will be seeing the views clearly. Look at that. Let me just turn and you enjoy that. Yeah. It's pretty amazing, pretty nice. Subscribe, guys, subscribe. Support. Kindly support.
You see?
Yeah.
And the joint here.
Oh.
You see the joint?
Yeah, I had not seen. This other side looks like kinda dirty and this other side looks like it looks clean.
Yes.
Guys, can you see the difference? The river, how is it that water from different rivers don't mix?
Yes. You see, they're not mixing, but they will mix that.
At some point. But the beginning of it, they don't.
Yes.
Wow. Do you see that? Looks so nice. That is beautiful. Who can say that God is not God? And so, guys, everything that has a beginning must have an end. And this comes to the end of this amazing video. Kindly remember to subscribe, like, share, and tell me what you think about this particular video. So, guys, if you want to visit, I've given you a place you can come and visit. Thank you so very much. Until next time, bye bye.